is that your tires? Where are we going? I thought we were going around the block.
About as far as I can go around the block. Let's see if it launches it.
Oh, smells delicious. Nice. What are you doing?
Let's see if it launches it.
How are you going to tell?
Because it won't burn out as much.
Oh.
Hey, you know what? I don't even think it's gonna go into fucking, because the tire pressure is low. And the computer's like, nah. Yeah, add air to the tire. It's not even gonna let it go into fucking, wow, that is so smart. How is it not letting it go into traction control mode?
Because it's a Cadillac?
No shit. And now I gotta go have all the air sensors replaced.
What do you mean? You didn't fit your TPMS and put them in there?
I broke one of them.
What do you mean you broke it?
When I was taking the tire off, it fell apart. See the right rear?
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't let me go into traction control mode. Wow, it limps it totally out. That's crazy.
You're crazy.
Ooh, that was a back rubbing too.
I don't know, but...
Oh, this is horrible.
Oh.
I made a perfectly drivable car. Not drivable.
Hey, but it's lighter. It's faster.
I wonder if I put those 225s on, it'll be better.
Okay, we're back.